Hello, we are making these booklets. In class, you made this, the outside, you made all the pages, right? So you're gonna make them today in workshop and my class. So here's a couple of examples. So what you do, take a look. How to prove heat moves not cold, radiation, conduction, convection, and convection, conduction, radiation, insulator, conductor. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to make this booklet. The cover should look awesome like this. This is Grace Brinkman's from last year. Look how cool it looks. Do whatever you like to do, but you're going to be talking about heat movement, right? Heat movement. So first page, you can do it in any order you want. We talked about conduction, convection. You're going to give a cool example. Do a nice job. Take your time. Not everybody's an artist, but you can do a nice job, okay? And write down what it is that is your, the explanation of it, and the drawing. There you have radiation, right? Coming off the fire or the sun, you could have, and you can give the explanation of what it is, okay? And then an insulator, something that insulates heat. Look it up and write it in. Give an example of an insulator. It could be your coat in the wintertime. It could be insulation in a house to keep the heat in, okay? Conductor, it conducts heat, okay? So heat moves, not cold. Heat moves through the molecules. Cold does not. You don't get cold, you just lose heat. So these are things that you can look up, investigate, things that you will look and figure out, okay? So think of the things for each one, examples. Do a nice job on the title page. Do not lose this. Have it for tomorrow. We can work on it tomorrow as well. We can talk about insulators and conductors as well, but I want you to add that, and you can look it up. You can do it, okay? All right, thanks.